So we're gonna race this one right there, that M4.
You have the dyno yet?
No, no dyno. We're here at the GTI meetup. Got invited out here. Wanted to check it out, check out some cars. Later tonight, we are going to be running against a M4 bolt-on, I think like a JB4. So wanted to check out the GTI meet before we head out there. Honestly, guys, the the new market looks a lot better in person. Probably won't look as good in the video, but I don't know. In person, it looks real clean, nicely polished and everything. Check it out. Looks real nice. This color pops out so much. Got some white GTIs right here. A nice Rabbit. RPF boys.
I think I know.
Nice. Here's the Mark 8. You know, one of these would be really nice. Check out these wheels right here. I like the new brake setup that they come with.
My city, I'm the fastest. I think BMW has the fastest FK8. I grew up out here.
So welcome back to the old school POV style. So I'm running a little bit behind. We got invited by homeboy Freshhkiicks. You guys remember him. He has the M340i and also the S15 that was on the channel. We had a couple runs against his two different cars. But this time he has a BMW M4. So we're gonna go up against that tonight. Super stoked. I've never ran a S58 that has been modified before, so I don't know, we'll see how it does. But I am using my GoPro right now. I just threw it on really quick, kind of running behind schedule here, and I didn't really have time to whip out, you know, the fancy old camera, hit the 4K and all that. We're just trying to get there, and I'm excited. It's supposed to be some really nice cars, some fast cars. I think a CTSV is gonna be out there as well as a Corvette. So we're gonna see how it goes, guys. Let's go ahead and fast forward. Well, that was fun. Anyways, looks like we made it just a few minutes away. And we made it. Here we are. So we're gonna race this one right there, that M4. Let's go and check it out. See what's up. We got the Supra. Check out that M4. You got the little intakes right there. Woo-wee. This front end is sick. So about the M4, looks like he did the 18-inch wheels. A little downsized a little quick from the factory. I think the factories are like 19s or 20s. Can't remember, but real clean. And it's a colder night out, so these would be nice for hooking. Got the R888s on there. Really sick. This is a side shot. My guy. What's up, bro? Yeah, we're gonna head out right now in like 5 minutes.
Oh, man.
What up, dude? You ready to roll or what? Yeah. Run, I don't know, try to run the Supras.
I got him out for you guys.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Sick, man.
I got pretty excited, so I was like, fuck it.
I'm gonna record a little bit more cars before we head out real quick. What up, big dog? Yeah? Let's walk around here, see what else we got. Another BMW M. This is an M3. Sweet. If you guys remember this one in the last video. RB25 swap. It's that F80. Damn. Honestly, that paint job is hitting. It's like a purple that just glows. I think on camera it looks kind of bluish, but in real life it's a deep purple. Oh man, another BMW. This one looks clean too. I like the silver wheels. Complements that real nice. So we got a handful of nice cars out here, man. The red CTS. Check out the yellow Supra right there. I wonder what he has. So you say you got you added like some cooling done to it, or?
Just cooling, and they dialed it in.
So did like a retune, turned it up a little bit more?
I don't know what the fuck they did, but it felt faster. So I just had them dial it in on the street. And I mean, I don't really care about the dyno.
That's sick though, man. You like it so far? You feel a difference?
Yeah.
Yeah?
As soon as he retuned it, send the finalized files. Like, bro, this shit, I don't know what the fuck he did.
Bro, because the last time we ran, we were like there. Whole time. You were like the only car that was like a close smash. Everyone else was like not as, you know.
Yeah.
You should run the other GTI too, the white one over there.
Y'all gotta race me at the same time because I can only do so cool.
Sick, bro. Congrats, dude.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Hell yeah. Those seats are crazy, bro. I didn't even know they light up like that either.
Big selling point for me.
Yeah. These seats are insane. I bet they're light too, huh? Go check it out. BMW M-Power. Look at that. You can see the carbon fiber intakes and other intakes right there. A little tucked behind the grill. Nothing crazy, right? Nothing major, just some intakes. So it's like intakes. What was it, like catless downpipes or catted?
Yeah, catless downpipe.
Catted? Catless?
Stock muffler.
Yeah.
E30.
Oh, E30? Bro, I don't expect to win at all, bro. We'll see how it goes.
It's like quick, but it's not like fast. Like
Yeah.
It feels like maybe a little bit faster than the M340.
Yeah, but you got more top end too, though, right? Because different turbo than the 340.
Twins, yeah. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. How's spooling on these?
Pretty quick. I mean,
Compared to the 340, is it quicker or about the same?
It's just smooth. Like it feels like it hits the same, but it's just smooth.
Smooth, yeah.
340 is
Very
like,
linear, right?
It's more torque. 340 is a lot more torque.
It's a little bit colder out, so we'll see. I might spin a little bit, but it should be all right if I can get it to hook.
Yeah. When it's cold, I can spin third sometimes, but it's been pretty cold recently.
GTI was getting it.
Alright guys, well there you have it. Shout out to Freshhkiicks for coming out, putting out some good runs there. Man, that thing was pretty close, but I mean, it's no match for the S58, man. The S58 is such a crazy motor. It has a lot of potential. And honestly, it's the German muscle car. That's the easiest way I can explain it. You got the twin turbos on there and just a fully capable engine. On one of the runs, I tried to do a no-lift shift and it kind of screwed me over. So we messed up there, but that S58 is crazy. And I can only imagine with an actual custom tune with the ECU unlocked and all that, like that thing's gonna be flying. Once I heard it was on E30, I didn't expect to win, to be honest. Those cars respond pretty well to E-blends, especially after seeing what B58s can do on an E50. Anyways, if you guys made it this far in the video, appreciate you guys and hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.